Okay, babes, so I am going through my table, my vanity table, and we're throwing out all of the stuff. Oh, sorry, my hair is not properly slicked back. It's been a long day. So we are going to throw out some of these things that I don't really need, and we are going to organize it a little bit better so that we have room for everything. Everything has its place. There's a place for everything, and everything has its place. This is my grandmother used to say. So we're going to practice that today because we're going to clean this ish up. Okay? Okay. I know you're with me, but let's go. So, like I said, we need to organize this a little bit better. And I started doing this off camera, and I thought, you know what? It would be perfect if I filmed this, because maybe some of you are like me, where you have a lot of things on your desk or a lot of things in your life around you, and you need to have a little bit more organization, have a little bit more like method to your madness. And so this is what I'm doing today. And I had brought out my watch because I wore it for an event, because I don't know if other people are like this, but I'm finding now that more and more I'm not using my Apple Watch. Like last night I fell asleep with it on my wrist, and it was not working in the morning. It like totally died out on me. So I'm like, oh, now I have to charge it. But then I'm constantly looking at my wrist for the time. So I said, you know what? I'm going to stop doing this, and I'm going to start putting my things in a little bit more order. And one of those things is like my watches, and like, you know, using my watches a little bit more than I have been. So I have these beautiful watches that I almost never wear, and I'm like, you know what? You need to start wearing these. You need to start wearing these. I'm taking like earrings like this, and I don't usually wear earrings like this to chapter meeting, but I will wear them on like a night out, going out or what have you. And my little storage case that I have that has a mirror in the front, and in the back it has places to like organize your jewelry and things like that. So that's where I'm going to put these. I'm going to hold them off on the side along with my Bottega teardrops. And those will go in that little closet when we're done. And then things like my real pearl bracelet, my earrings will go in this pot. Everything else will go in here. So like my ivy earrings, shaped like ivy leaves. I think I got these when I turned silver. Someone bought these for me, but they need to be cleaned. I need to invest in like a silver cleaner. See, another thing dropped on the floor. So things like this, which yes, I do need to invest in a cleaner, will go in my earring holder. And then I have my AKA bamboo earrings. Shout out to the Ivy Storehouse for those. They really did that big one with that. I love them. This is a ring that I got from one of my admirers back in the day when I was single and ready to mingle. Okay, babes, wanted to share with you the finished look. Here are all of my like day-to-day jewelry that I wear. This is my bowl that has my pearls in it, as well as some AKA earrings. And then this is sort of like my catch-all. It has some rings in it, some bracelets, and just some other doodads that I don't often wear, but from time to time I like to put them on and just round out my bracelet stack or my ring stack or whatever I'm doing. So that's it. Everything has a place, and there's a place for everything, finally. So at least you won't hear me clattering about trying to figure out what goes where. Holiday season, share the love, be my bestie, like, share, and subscribe to Brown Girl Bella. You have to subscribe to get Bellafied.